3.
Honeybee bus game.
Honeybee bus game.
It's a game we got for Christmas. And what does it say on here, Jaden?
Honeybee bus. Collect the honey but don't wake the bee.
See that?
Wake the bee.
Okay. And see, this is the back of the back of the box.
And that's a girl who stings.
This is the girl who gets stung.
Yeah,
Not
the
the boy.
thing on
Okay.
there.
Alright. So, who goes first?
They need to do rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, sew.
You. Oh,
Rock, paper, scissors, sew.
I won.
Mommy, go again. Rock, paper, scissors, sew. Again.
Oh no.
Yeah, you got to play against me. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I go first. 1.
Oh no. 0.
I got nothing today.
It's good. You don't lose with that.
1.
Oh no. Don't wake up, bee. Yay! 1. Your turn. You have to
2. 2, Daddy. Yeah.
My turn. And then you got 2. Oh my god.
As you can see, the game can be played any way that you want it to be played.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
Ooh, I got 1. Look, this is the spinning one.
Yeah, that's a spinner.
Spinner.
One spin.
Ay, ay, ay.
1.
1.
No.
Yeah,
Nothing.
nothing. My turn.
1.
Wait for mommy. Oh, oh.
Ay, ay, ay. It's really
1.
exciting.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Angry bee. Yeah.
Wait again.
That was amazing.
Okay,
need to
because
wake
you,
the bee.
so you start.
You
You
start
can start.
because you.
I
Wake him.
lose. I lose.
Hang on.
1.
Yeah.
1.
There we go.
1. 1. 1. Take this.
Mhm.
I got 1. That was like easy.
The good thing about this game too, no batteries.
0.
I'm only. I
So-
don't know why I had no
Good.
batteries.
And it's a lot of fun too.
Yeah.
2.
So, see, no glasses, I can't see, Jaden. Oh, he's going to go.
Pop.
Oh, no. He's going to go.
Pop.
Oh, no.
And then
3 rounds we do each one who win.
1.
You got 2. Jaden will wake him again.
I'm going in different spot. Down.
Ay, ay, ay. What is that in the middle? 1?
Let's start again.
No, you have to start again because you got black.
Oh, yeah, I got 0.
My turn.
No, otherwise you get all the shots. You get double the amount and then you
Then you
might
lose.
lose.
Yeah.
1.
You're gonna lose that.
The spinner's a little bit funny,
Mm.
but the rest is a lot of fun.
1.
You can choose wherever.
Almost. You almost sting me. Like, boop.
2. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're gonna die.
No,
Yeah.
I don't wake him up.
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, ready? Oh, I think they didn't spin.
1.
1.
One that
Oh, you get one.
One. That was your husband.
Pop.
Now
No. One.
we have 4 more. But we
Oh.
have more.
Whoa!
Ah!
There.
It's this side. But I went this way.
Let's go again.
One more round.
Yeah.
Then.
Okay, so
So you did it. You wake him. I wake him.
Then Daddy will
and
win.
then I will
We
wake him.
think if Daddy can wake him up.
Yep.
Let's check. Alright, I
Yeah,
do
you-
first
you
because
go first and then
I did
You
wake
lose.
him up.
No, you lose.
One.
Yep.
Oh no, please don't wake up.
Pop.
So, pop.
Oh.
Ah! That one of my
Two.
things.
2. Oh.
Daddy will wake him up now.
Yeah, I think he's here. It's here.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Mommy.
You can feel it.
No.
Yeah, you can feel it. If you do
Don't
it
do
slowly.
that.
You can
Don't
feel
That's
do
it.
that.
There.
Don't do
Very
that.
good.
What?
What would you give this game out of 10? How good is it?
It's really good.
Yeah, I like it.
Let's do it again.
If you give a score, how many score you give?
This big or this big? How big?
That big.
Oh wow, that's not bad. So I reckon that's a 9 or a 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
Me too. I think it's pretty good.
this is really cool.
Yeah.
Let's play again.
And you can get it at Kmart for
$9.
$9.
So it's really affordable and lots of
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah, it's good fun.
And family game.
All right.
Lots of fun.
What do you say?
Thank you,
Thank you,
YouTube.
YouTube.
And please don't forget
Please
to
don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye.